Summer sea, on the train bound for nowhere, met up with the gambler. We were both too tired to sleep, so we took turns to stare at windows at the darkness.
This is the big game. We're playing for who pays for breakfast at the Metropole.
Okay, so guys, how's it feel to be the champions?
Just words escape me, mate.
Awesome.
Alright, will you guys get in there and enjoy your breakfast? Ben, how does it feel to be the losing team?
I need to go and get some
How does it feel?
Go get some football.
So, Ben and Ben have subsequently lost last night's game of cards on the train, and now Ben and Ben must pay for Mike and Vic's breakfast here at the Metropole. Look at that grin. Grinning like a winner. Breakfast for everyone. That's the bill. It's a sad morning. It cost me a fucking mozza. Beautiful. Chain came off, climbing up this hill. He's all over this.
Be running up that road, be running up that hill, be running up that building. Say if I only could.
Man, you okay?
You don't wanna hurt me.
Yeah, tried to take a shortcut.
That was the damage to the Cuong farm station.
I kind of misjudged the crack.
Did ya? Oh, that skinny bit, yeah?
Yeah, one wheel went that way, the other went that way.
More reliable than a Davy pump. What happened?
I was trying to catch the man.
Yeah.
I fucked up.
So I can feel you shifting some of the blame for this situation on me here.
Yeah, you shouldn't be hurrying along that road. It was so dangerous.
This is coming back at me now.
Yeah, just on my knee.
Let's see the damage. There's a bit of bruising, yeah? And how's the hip? Oh, oh, oh. Oh, how does that work? What am I supposed to do with that? And what happens in the squat toilet generally stays in the squat toilet. Never lost on a motorcycle, we're a little bit lost. We're just asking old mate here which way to go. He reckons both ways is shit, I'm sure. These are what the local kids play with. So I'm just gonna test this one. What do we got in here? Cham chao. Cham chao, không muối cháo. Cham chao.
Chầm chéo.
Hạt mạc kiên.
Yeah.
And muối ớt. Muối ớt.
Muối ớt.
Đó, come on. Bao nhiêu?
175.
Rồi bây giờ nuôi vợ không có tiền. Anh không có tiền.
À, anh có tiền chứ vợ ơi có.
Who's got the grasshoppers down there? Oh my God, there's the grasshoppers. What's going on there? Who catches them all?
You got one decent, Julie got
Never be your peace burden. Let's see how deep the bullet lies. Unaware I'm tearing you asunder.